Alright, here's my S10. Nice and quiet, right? I really just don't think this is going to make much difference. Ugh, fumes. I'll give you a little rev test real quick. Alright. As you can guess, as quiet as can be. God, it's... Let me move for a second. Whew. I don't have my tools to clamp that on there, but I can sure as heck tell you this. I do not know if that tip is going to make much sound difference. And mocking it up, that thing is too long. We'd have to shorten the end of it up a little bit, which is fine. It's a little long. Yeah, I'll keep you up to date whenever it's on there and we got everything set up. Alright, adios guys.